Hi, welcome back to Woodchuck Creations. I'm Chuck, and today we're going to make a scooter stand. We have a 3-bay garage. Now my wife parks her car over here and my tools stay over there. And in the center portion we have our bikes and scooters and lawnmowers and stuff. And a lot of times the scooters just get thrown around because they don't have kickstands on them. So I want to get this a little more organized, and today I'm going to build a stand for our Razor scooters. I'm going to use some scrap wood for this, and I'm going to take one piece and have a groove cut out for the wheel to sit down in, and then 2 pieces on the side that sandwich that first piece in between them that hold the wheel in place. So I'm going to draw a place to cut out the wheel for it to sit in. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that out on the bandsaw. Now I have the groove cut out, and I'm just going to cut the bottom of this off because it doesn't need to be this tall. I have the groove cut out for the wheel, but it's a little bit too wide, so I need to get the width of the wheel transferred onto this board so I can cut it to width. It's about 1 inch, so I'm going to go about 1 1/8. I'll transfer that onto here. And we'll cut that with the bandsaw. I have the piece cut out that the wheel's going to be sitting down in, and I'm going to clean it up with the sander. The center piece where the wheel's going to sit on looks good. I think it's going to work. Now I need to cut out some pieces for the sides to sandwich that piece in between, and those are going to hold the scooter up. After that, we'll go ahead and clamp it together to make sure it works before we glue it up. So it looks like it works. I just need to cut a little bit of a groove out of these boards so that this axle piece of metal there will let the wheel go down further in. Alright, so this seems to work, so now I just need to make another one of these, and then we'll attach them to a board and we'll be good to go. So now I have all the pieces cut, and I'm going to go ahead and glue them together and brad nail them. So we glued these up and they look good. I'm just going to sand them a little bit just to clean up the edges. Next step is to attach these to a board so that they don't fall over when you put the scooter in. And I'm going to put them on the same board so it's a lot more stable. I am going to attach glue to the bottom of the stands. I have them offset a little bit so the handlebars don't hit each other. And I will go ahead and glue them on. And I'm going to put brad nails in just for the glue to dry to keep it in place. This last step is totally unnecessary, but I have a little bit of the gray paint left over from other projects, so I'm going to go ahead and paint it. Alright, so we're all finished with the scooter stand. Let me know what you think in the comments, and go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I have some more videos for you to check out over here, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Well, it didn't work.